So I'm going to try it. So what will be the length of the alligator next year if its length changes by the same percent as it changed this year? So we discovered that it changed by 18.75%. So that if it keeps that happening, if it changes again, what will be its new length? So what their hint that they're giving you here is you have your percent change times the length this year. So it's now 38. So you can take 18.75 and multiply it by, sorry, this is percent. Multiply that by its length of 38. And you'll get a new change length. And I'm estimating here, okay? But let's say that it grows by 9. So we're going to take that 9 to the length right now, and we're going to add it. So 38 plus 9, we can now say, hey, that alligator is 47 inches. That's one way you can do it. Another way that I might encourage you to start looking at is we have the alligator. It is 100% the alligator. And then it's going to grow by 18.75%. So it's going to be 118.75%. This can make us just do kind of one calculation. But this is our percentage that our new alligator will be. So we can take this percentage, turn it into a decimal, 1.1875. I've just moved the decimal 2 places, right? And then I'm going to multiply that by what I have. So instead of just finding 18.75%, we're finding 118. And that's going to give us our answer to tell us how big this alligator will be. So I'm just going to stack these up and do our multiplication. Okay, 8 times 5 is 40, so carry the 4. 8 times 7 is 56, 56 plus 4, so now we're at 60. 8 times 8 is 64, plus that 6, now we're at 70. 8 times 1 is 8, plus that 7, we're at 15. 8 times 1 is 8, plus that 1, now we're at 9. Put a place value for the 0. 3 times 5 is 15, so now we're carrying a 1. 3 times 7 is 21, plus that 1, we're at 22. 3 times 8 is 24, plus the 2, so now we're at 26. 3 times 1 is 3, plus the 2, we're at 5. And then 3 times 1 is 3. So let's add this up. 0, 5, 2, 11, 15, and 4. We have got to displace our decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That new alligator is going to be 45 and 1.25, which I believe is 1/8. 45 inches and 1/8 of an inch is how big that alligator will be. He's growing fast. Stay away from him.